Hi guys, Namaste, welcome to my channel. This reading is for Leo zodiac, Sun, Moon, Rising or Ascendant. Guys, for Leos, I really feel that somebody might come and visit you, and it will be in a most shocking manner. I mean, you won't even expect them to visit you, but they will visit you definitely. So somebody is coming. Also, you might receive your money back from someone. Like, I feel like you will receive some money from somebody, but it is not as a charity, but it's something that you are supposed to anyway get. You gave it to somebody and then you are expecting it back. You will get it December. Also, few of you might find a lost item. So something you lost this year, maybe jewelry, some document, something like that. So guys, please comment below in case you are that person or a group of person. You might find your lost item. Or for some of you, I feel like some of you might receive a gift. Okay, so look forward. Some of you might get a possession. I mean, some material thing from someone, guys. So it's going to be the material thing. It could be jewelry, it could be a house, or something like whose value is much than our imagination. So congratulations. Few of you might receive or buy a vehicle. So yeah guys, congrats. And if in case you do buy one or are planning to buy one, please comment below, guys. Guys, my lovely Leos, you guys are going to also make some travel plans, and the travel plans will be short term. It will not be like long term, not in a foreign country or something, but I feel like it will be more in the neighborhood or from city to city or within your country. So I feel like you will get a chance to travel. Guys, be mindful of the eclipse though. I have a feeling that it might trigger you. So there is a solar eclipse which is coming in December. So be mindful of that. This eclipse might lower your position or reduce your aura or your power. So this message is for particular ones, especially those who are in administration or in leadership positions. So I feel like there will be a little decrease in your aura, authority, power, position. So it might happen during eclipse time. So be mindful, don't get into arguments or don't sort of deal in revenge or deal in people who might backstab you. So don't do that, guys. It might also trigger you emotionally. So in case it triggers you emotionally, we might end up taking bad decisions or come up with unwanted conclusions. So don't do that, guys. So stay balanced, okay? Also, I feel like for few of you guys, especially students, I feel you should keep yourself updated with knowledge, with your expertise. I mean, you should be aware of the recent trends or skills like that, because you might need to present it to someone or somewhere. For some of you, it could be some important exam, some quiz, some interview, conference, round the table, discussions. So I think these kind of setups and scenarios will be very much there in December for you guys, Leo. So Be watchful, be updated, keep yourself updated, use your intelligence and brain sharply. A few of you guys who are already working, I feel like this is related to your workplace. You might be questioned a lot, or might come under a critical situation, okay, or might come under a critical boss. If you're already reporting to a critical boss, please guys comment below, because I feel like some of you will be questioned a lot. But the spirits and guides are telling me to warn you to stay focused. Don't retaliate, don't get into arguments with authorities. Just be yourself, stay calm, stay composed, answer back intelligently, use your brain, but don't get into arguments and unnecessary verbal fights or something like that, especially with the ones who are putting you in the spotlight. Also, I feel like this last spotlight, especially the ones who are working in offices, might be the last test, or some last person standing against your goal. Honestly, you will come out as a winner if you don't answer them back. Like I said, you're not supposed to answer them back, or you're not supposed to feel defensive about the whole situation. Guys, you're gonna get your promotion, or you're gonna pass your exam, course, interview. I feel like many of you will get promotions, exams, will complete your tough courses, or crack those tough examinations or quizzes, interviews. I feel like, and I think at the end of December 2021, you will feel like, yeah, I made it. I see intelligence and intelligent groups around you guys in the end of December 2021. So in case you are joining some course or some skill development program, or some other office branch of your office, you might get a lot of intelligent people around you. So you can look forward. Guys, I have the last advice for you. Don't let your peace be ruined because of some bad person. It's just the last hurdle. Like I already said, there is going to come some person is going to put you in the spot. I feel like for most of you, some particular one person might be a little critical. It could be your own family member, or a boss, or colleague, or neighbor. Just don't let them ruin your peace. Otherwise, your month looks great to me. You are getting what you want. Just stay focused, stay mindful around eclipses. That's all, guys. I'll see you again. Thank you so much. Bye bye.